Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at some exercises in set theory and how to solve them. So let's dive in. Okay, in the previous video we had this question to try out. So let's see if you got the right answer. In a year, a group of 108 students, 60 liked football, 53 liked tennis, and 10 liked neither. Calculate the number of students who liked football but not tennis. So we have our universal sets here with the total number of students as 108. All right, 60 like football, so let's call this the football sets, this circle right here, and this is the tennis set right here. And 10 like neither. 10 students did not like football nor tennis. Okay, we should calculate the number of students who liked football but not tennis. Okay, to figure that out, we need to actually know the number of students who like both football and tennis, the number of students who like tennis alone, and the number of students who like football alone. All right, so the intersection here will be labeled X, which refers to the number of students who like both football and tennis. So to figure out the number of students who like football only, that will be 60 minus X. Okay, we have to take the intersection out to figure out the number of students who like football only. And then for tennis, we'll do the same thing, 53 minus X. Because the 53 students here captures both those who like tennis only and those who like tennis and football. The same thing here, the 60 students here refers to the number of students who like football only and football and tennis. Okay, so to be able to figure out the number of students who like football only, we need to factor out the intersection, those students who like both football and tennis, and that's why we have 60 minus X right here. So now we can add everything here right up and equate it to 108 students, the total number of students in the class. So that'll be 60 minus X plus 53 minus X. And don't forget the number of students who do not like any, they're still part of the class. Plus 10, all of this equals 108, the total number of students, the universal set. So as usual, this negative X will cancel this positive X, so we're left with 60 plus 53 plus 10 minus X. I just rearranged it to have the letter end at the end, and then we have 108 right here. So we can collect like terms, take negative X over the equals to sign, and 108 will bring it over the equation sign. So what are we going to have? We're going to have 60 plus 53 plus 10 minus 108, and this will give us X. So what will this be? 60 plus 53, that's 113, plus 10, 114. So 114 minus 108 will give us the value for X. Okay, and that will be 4 plus 2, 114 minus 108, that's 6. So X equals 6. So right here we have 6. Was 60 minus 6, we have 54 here. Was 53 minus 6, we have 47 here. So if we add all this up, let me take away the equations or the expressions here. Okay, and there we go. So if you add 54 plus 6 plus 47 plus 10, you would have 108. So what's the answer to this? The number of students who like football but not tennis. 54 students like football but not tennis. They like football alone. So our answer here is 54. And there you go. All right. So another question for you to try out for the next video right here. So you try this and then come watch if you got the right answers in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you with your answers in the next video.